Starting and running a small business can be a rewarding endeavor, but it also comes with a variety of legal issues that must be navigated. In this article, we will discuss some of the key legal issues that small business owners should be aware of and how to address them. One of the most important legal issues for small business owners is business structure. Business structure refers to the legal entity that the business operates under, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or limited liability company, LLC. Each business structure has its own unique legal and tax implications, and it is important to choose the structure that best suits your needs and goals. Another important legal issue for small business owners is business registration and licensing. Depending on the type of business you are starting, you may need to register your business with the state or local government and obtain various licenses and permits. Failure to comply with these requirements can result in fines, legal liabilities, and other consequences. Contracts are another important legal issue for small business owners. Contracts are legally binding agreements between two or more parties that outline the terms and conditions of a transaction or relationship. Small business owners must navigate a variety of contracts, such as employment contracts, lease agreements, and vendor contracts, and it is important to work with experienced business lawyers to ensure that all contracts are fair, enforceable, and protect your rights and interests. Intellectual property is another important legal issue for small business owners. Intellectual property refers to the creations of the mind, such as inventions, trademarks, and copyrights. Small business owners must protect their intellectual property rights and avoid infringing on the rights of others, which can result in legal liabilities and other consequences. Employment law is another important legal issue for small business owners. Employment law governs the relationship between employers and employees and covers a variety of issues, such as hiring, firing, discrimination, harassment, and wage and hour laws. It is important for small business owners to comply with all employment laws and work with experienced employment lawyers to avoid legal liabilities and protect their rights and interests. Tax law is another important legal issue for small business owners. Small business owners must navigate a variety of tax laws, such as income tax, sales tax, and payroll tax. It is important to work with experienced tax professionals to minimize tax liabilities and comply with all tax laws. Insurance is another important legal issue for small business owners. Small business owners must obtain various types of insurance, such as liability insurance, property insurance, and workers' compensation insurance, to protect their business and employees from financial risks and legal liabilities. Data privacy and security is another important legal issue for small business owners. Small business owners must protect the personal information of their customers and employees and comply with various data privacy and security laws, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. Environmental law is another important legal issue for small business owners. Small business owners must comply with various environmental laws and regulations, such as those related to hazardous waste disposal, air emissions, and water quality, to avoid legal liabilities and protect the environment. In conclusion, starting and running a small business comes with a variety of legal issues that must be navigated. Small business owners must address legal issues such as business structure, registration and licensing, contracts, intellectual property, employment law, tax law, insurance, data privacy and security, environmental law, and other legal issues. It is important to work with experienced business lawyers, tax professionals, and other legal and business experts to ensure that all legal requirements are met and that your small business is successful.